Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This song, We'll Meet Again, was composed and written by Ross Parker and Huey Child in 1939 and made famous by the singer Vera Lynn, the Sweetheart of the Forces. It played a major part in boosting the morale of soldiers during the Second World War. It's been recorded many times. No one can sing it like Vera Lynn, but I'll have a go. Then I'll go through all the chords and tell you a bit more about the song. I'm using a Kala tenor with a low G. But it obviously works equally well with any size and a high G as well. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know, tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know that as you saw me go, I was singing this song. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Well, I was born in 1935, so I was 4.5 years old when World War II broke out on September the 2nd, 1939. Old enough to understand the apprehension of the adults around me, particularly my grandmother, but young enough to enjoy the flashes in the night sky, picking up shrapnel in the mornings, listening for the doodle bugs going overhead and suddenly stopping, and recognising the difference between German and American planes. It was, I'm sad to say, for us young children, quite an exciting time. Well, this song is in the key of F, so the first chord is an F chord. We'll meet an A7, one finger, again, two fingers, D7. Oh, when a G7, and oh, we'll meet again, so a G minor, sunny day. C, C7, and then repeat. Keep A7 through just D7. You always do till the G7, right? D minor, C7, F. The middle section starts with an F7 chord, as you could do a full F7 chord like that, but I tend to just do this one, which hasn't a fifth in it, but it sounds okay. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? A B flat major 7, won't be long. This is optional, but I like to just do this. Just makes it a bit more interesting. There'll be G7, happy to know that as you saw me go, I was G minor, singing this song. Now, you can stretch there, or if you play the C with a little finger, you can stretch more easily to the C augmented. And then we've got F, wheel, then it's the same as before, A7, don't know D7, don't know when, but I know G7 we'll meet again, some sun, D augmented C, and finish with F. And I end with a C shape at the bar at fret 5, which is the F chord. It's a nice song to sing. And interestingly, Vera Lynn's recording of this song has been credited as one of the first to make use of the Hammond Nova Chorder, the world's first polyphonic synthesizer. Well, as always, I hope you found that helpful and useful. The song says, keep smiling through. And whatever you do, however you do it, don't let old age get in the way, and have fun.